has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Ah non.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario and the National Capital Region at 11:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, September 11th, 2013. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Caledon. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Mississauga, Brampton. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued